Hi, I'm Eve Metlis with Watson Realty with your Tuesday tip. What's the difference between a mortgage lender and a mortgage broker? When you're ready to buy a home, the first step is to be pre-approved for a mortgage, which means speaking to a mortgage person to find out how much home you can afford. There are a few different types of mortgage people, but the most common are the mortgage lender and the mortgage broker. So what's the difference between the two? A mortgage broker acts as a liaison between the borrower or buyer and the end lender. The mortgage broker is not a lender and they do not use their own funds for the buyer's loan. In essence, they broker the loan out. When this happens, the end lender is usually not local to where the property is located. While the buyer's direct contact is the mortgage broker, when it comes time for closing, if the end lender is in another state or another time zone and they're not communicating with the title company that prepares the closing documents, there may be delays in closing on the house on time. The mortgage broker will do their best to get in contact with the end lender, but by that time, it's out of the mortgage broker's control and there may be delays in closing on time. A mortgage broker is usually compensated by the loan origination fee, which is based on the total amount of the loan that the buyer pays. A mortgage lender works for a bank that lends its own money to the buyer. This cuts out the middleman in the process, and the lender is much more in control over the entire process. It's even better when the buyer chooses a lender that's local to them, because if there's a problem, they're close by. Most mortgage lenders will end up selling the loan after closing, but the terms of the loan do not change. A mortgage lender is compensated by the loan origination fee. The lender also makes money off the interest earned and on the principal balance of the loan, late fees, and other related charges. When you're ready to get pre-approved for a mortgage, talk to your realtor to determine who the best mortgage person for you will be. That's today's Tuesday tip.